So for making pizza with a ready-made pizza base, we need this pizza base. Now it could be of any company, Cremica or Kitty. So they have two pizza bases. And then we require chopped onion and chopped capsicum. It could be of any shape. I have chosen this long and slender shaped capsicum as well as onion. The next thing that we require is pizza cheese, and we also need oregano and some chili flakes and also black salt or black pepper. We also need this pizza sauce. I've stored this pizza sauce in this jar. And now we have this pizza cheese grated, and now let's start with the preparation of this pizza. So I've taken this pizza base. Now I'll start spreading the pizza sauce. So you can also make this pizza sauce at home, but I have used the ready-made one. Now since it's a slightly thick base, so I'll be using more pizza sauce. Since the pizza base is a little bit thick, so I have spread a good quantity of pizza sauce. Now I will spread this grated cheese. So the technique is to just spread it from the center. So since I'm making two pizzas, so I have grated the pizza cheese accordingly. So you can grate the pizza cheese according to the number of pizzas you are about to make. Now I'll start spreading the veggies like this, in this shape, so that it looks good in terms of presentation. So I have spread the veggies in this manner, and now I'll be putting the seasonings here. So I've mixed oregano and chili flakes together, and I'll be spreading it like this on my preparation. So I have skipped using olives as well as corns. You can add those if you want to. Since it's a lockdown period, so I'm managing it with the onions and capsicum only. So now I am done. If you want, you can add salt to this, but I am doing it without it. For making pizza in a microwave, we'll use such a grill, and we'll be setting the microwave on convection mode for 200 degrees Celsius for around 13 to 14 minutes. So let's get started. So I've placed this grill with the pizza kept on it, and now I will close this and I will set the temperature. So I've pressed the convection button on 200 degrees Celsius, and now I will set the time, which is around 13 minutes. So I will start. So now I've set it for 13 minutes, and I'll wait for the pizza to get baked for 13 minutes. So now the time is over, and I've taken out the pizza from the grill. This yummy pizza, how it turned out. So now with the pizza slicer, I will cut the pizza into small slices,